वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. So is there any particular word you would like to know or generally?
Yeah. Generally also in a particular word in the second abhyasa, no? The translation first sentence, Sada Shadvadane. I didn't know the meaning for that.
Okay, yeah, this was a tough one anyway. You know, most of us had a problem because we've not heard this term. And
Okay.
let me just share the screen with you one second. So exercise 2, right?
Yeah, exercise 2, the first sentence.
Right. Yeah, so because, you know, this is talking about time and we've not covered that in the class.
Okay.
So basically this means 6:30 and we usually just check in different dictionaries how to figure that out. So there are few different options. So for example, my favorite one, which most of us are using, is this one, Sanskrit Kosha.
Okay.
We'll check here first. And see, now what happens is Vadane is the seventh case, right?
Okay.
7-1. So when you remove that, sometimes that helps. Now this is also not coming up. So then you have to try some other dictionary, and I have put all these links in the folder. So I'll share that link with you. So you can check there also. So then I will try somewhere else. So you can check here and then say translate. So it says 6:30.
Oh, okay.
Right. So
this is which dictionary this is?
I'll share all these links with you. So
okay.
See, the point is, first, I would always recommend this one because this is the most trusted website. If you don't find, then there are 3-4 more links. You can check in one of those. Another thing I like to do with a lot of the words when I can't find in any dictionary is just go to Google and type it there. And then what happens? It will show different links. This is a more time-consuming job, you know, because you'll have to open each link and check. But sometimes it helps. And it even takes you to some really interesting websites, you know. So if none of the dictionaries are showing, then you can check on Google also. And I would there recommend always to type in Sanskrit itself. You know, sometimes we type Sanskrit in English, but that doesn't always give good results. So it helps that way. And how do you type in Sanskrit? Chitraji, are you there? Yes, which one?
Baraha, B-A-R-A-H-A.
Okay, yeah, that's the one I use. So it's pretty good and helpful.
Okay.
Yeah. So which is the next word you were having problem with?
Which is the next word is Ucha Siksha. That's what I didn't know.
Which sentence is that in the exercise?
That is, it is, I think, ninth sentence, I think.
Did you say Ucha Shiksham?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now again, sometimes there is sandhi that is happening. So two words, or it might be a samasa. In that case, it is difficult,
Okay.
to find the meaning in a dictionary because you'll have to split the words.
Okay.
So now if you look at it, Uchcha Shiksham, first you remove the case ending. So it becomes Uchcha Shiksha. Then it is two words,
Shiksha.
Uchcha,
Okay.
Uchcha and Shiksha.
Shiksha.
And those meanings
Okay.
you can easily find. You'll probably know also, right? So that becomes higher
Yeah.
studies.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Then Adhyaham, I put it Adhyaham. That's correct, right?
Which one? Adhyaham.
Adhyaham, I put
Yes.
Adhyaham, correct?
Yes. Yes. That's
Adhyah is today.
yeah.
Is it today? Yeah. Okay. These three doubts I had.
Okay. So
And I didn't know where to go looking for this.
So you can see on the screen right now, like when we had to change to plural, I have written Adya Vaya. Right?
Yeah.
So that means singular was Adya Aham.
Aham. Okay.
And usually, when we post the exercise, the questions exercise is posted within 3-4 days. Somebody puts up the answers, because whoever has completed their exercise.
Okay.
Usually I try to do it ahead of time. So I usually post it in 1 or 2 days. So it means that, if you really get stuck at something, you can refer to that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As long as for me, I want to do it by myself.
Yeah.
Till the end. If I'm not able to do, then I'll go there.
Yeah. So that's what I would recommend. That first you do your entire exercise and you make a note of things where you are getting stuck. Then you can refer to the answer sheet, or you can, even if you don't want to look at the answers, you can always post in the WhatsApp group that, I am finding this difficult, like how to go about.
Okay.
You can ask, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And any other
This,
word?
no, Priyanka, where do I, in the laptop, I can download these dictionaries, right?
They are just links, so you'll just have to open it as a website. There's no need to download.
Oh, the website, no need in the download. Okay.
So I'll show you here also. 1 second. In the Google Drive, when we go. So this is the main folder that we have.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So here this sheet, sources.
Resources, yeah.
So I've given links to few dictionaries.
Okay.
Refer to these. Then there is this link which I showed you on translation. So how to translate. So this translation, I mean, it's not really very accurate. I have tried it a number of times. But sometimes it helps to just look for word meanings. I've seen if there are a lot of samasas in a sentence and I put that sentence here, it gives a very strange meaning. But if you just give that particular word and translate, many a times I have found correct answers.
Okay.
And these are websites for, looking at how a particular word declines and how verbs are conjugating. And Braha, I don't know if you already have this link. So basically, if you go here, it gives you all the words, how to, type a letter while you're using Sanskrit.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I used to always get confused, how to make the dot and so this link is helpful as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else?
That's all, Priyanka. That's all I wanted to know.
Okay.
And okay. Thank you so much. I just wanted to know the meaning, where to find the meaning. That was my difficulty.
So the only thing is you will have to start splitting the words, whether it's now we are doing samasas. So, try to figure out if it's a samasa or maybe just sandhi is happening, or maybe just two words are written together. So that is a possibility. A lot of the times just two words are written together. There is no sandhi happening. It's not a samasa. So you just have to split them and understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
The practice you get it right.
Yeah, it will obviously come with experience, So I am also learning as you are.
No, I'm very new to this. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much. If anything, I'll get back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
We'll just do the prayers.
Mm.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much.